You don't have to play masculine to be a strong woman. Why financial planning is essential for single women? Having money alone will not help you in the long run. Let us learn how to sustain it. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Are you a single woman and wondering about how to achieve your financial freedom? Let us discuss in this video. You might be either divorced or widowed or never been married. The decision to remain single is yours. One of the greatest motivators behind this decision is money. A robust financial plan will lead you in the right direction and channelize the money to achieve your financial freedom. This video throws light on three important aspects. Number 1, how to gain financial acumen. Number 2, how to reassess your current financial health. And number 3, what is the investment strategy to be followed. First, how to gain financial acumen. The maiden step in financial planning would be to get yourself educated on personal finance and investment. If you are willing to take the first step in gaining financial literacy, there are many options available. The resources could be either you can surf your smart devices or read blogs, books, magazines, etc. Next, we shall move on how to reassess your current financial health. First, reassess your current income and expenses. If you are divorced or widowed, you might have received some sort of settlement in the form of alimony or life insurance. There is no assurance that all your future needs will be fulfilled by utilizing this corpus. If you do not channelize and invest this money properly, the inflation will eat away the corpus. Also, try to re-enter the workforce. You might have taken a break to take care of your children or family in general. Working again will give you the independence and the affordability to cater your monthly expenses. Now, re-evaluate your new income with current expenses. The second reassessment is reassessing your life and health insurance. Health insurance. If you were married earlier, you might have been covered by a family health insurance, probably provided by your spouse employer. Now choose an appropriate health insurance and include your children if you have any. Next, life insurance. Buy a pure term insurance as this will help to mitigate any unforeseen event in the future. If you have any kids, buying a term plan will ensure their financial security in case of any unfortunate event. The third reassessment is managing your debt. Your first action point should be to pay off the high interest debt. Evaluate where you stand with your finances and what you want to accomplish financially in the long run, and then build a solid plan which allows you to progress towards your financial goals. This action plan will help to navigate your finances healthily. Being a debt-free will pave the way for your financial freedom. The fourth one is emergency corpus. It is standard to keep at least 6 to 9 months of money for your expense as your emergency corpus. This will act as a safety net for you to fall back on. Keep this money parked somewhere as liquid fund or in bank FDs for your easy accessibility in case of emergencies. The final reassessment is listing down your financial goals. First, list down all your goals and try to categorize it based on the timeline, like short term, medium term, and long term. Include goals related to your children if you have any. Earmark the alimony or any life settlement you received for the goals related to the kids. Set aside some money for your self-improvement, like upskilling or any professional certification. This will boost your confidence. Include your retirement goal as well. Plan your retirement wisely because this phase of life might leave you with no source to rely on. Next, we shall move on to the investment strategies to be followed. Here, there are three strategies: risk tolerance, asset allocation, and tax efficient investment. The risk tolerance level depends on your age, socio-economic background, and the number of children one might have. A long-term strategy will be reliable as it will provide you with the confidence in managing your wealth. A financial advisor can help you in customizing financial strategies best suited for your financial goals. The second strategy is asset allocation. The safest investment option that everyone prefers is bank FD. But this might not help you to achieve your financial freedom. You can also choose to invest in gold and real estate, but try to keep it to the extent of your personal use rather than as an investment. If you are young, you can invest in equity and debt in a 70-30 ratio respectively. A diversified portfolio in various asset classes will help you to achieve your financial freedom early. The third and final strategy is tax efficient investment. The choice of investment should not only aid you in building the corpus, but also a tax efficient one. Choose tax efficient investment schemes such as Public Provident Fund, Equity Linked Savings Scheme, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, National Pension Scheme, National Savings Certificate. You can claim tax deduction on these schemes under Section 80C for the investment amount. Keep in mind the taxation of returns in the form of interest, dividend, or capital appreciation while choosing the investment scheme. Now, let us recall all the points we have discussed so far. Formal education can make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. As a single woman, financial literacy will help you go a long way in life. Financial planning is not rocket science. Budgeting, saving, and investing practices will help you to achieve your financial goals. If you find any difficulties, always seek the help of a professional, such as a financial advisor, to help you with your finances. A detailed blog post on this topic, financial planning for single women, is available in our website. The link for the blog post is given in the description box. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.